Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can go ahead and run multiple Roblox accounts here inside of Roblox. So this is going to be multi-instances for completely free. Everything is going to be completely free. So here's how to run 2 Roblox accounts at the same time on PC and Mac. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So the very first thing you need to go ahead and do is head over to the website linked in the description below, also known as exopanda.com. Then you guys are going to go ahead and click on the download, and you'll see that there is a download for Windows and there's a download for Mac OS. All right. So you need to go ahead and download whichever one is on your operating system. If you guys are wondering if it's a virus or not, you can check the virus total report here. It's also digitally signed as well and has over 217,000 downloads and tens of thousands of active daily users. And then obviously the app one is Apple notarized as well. So choose whichever download you need to go ahead and do. Then we're going to need to go ahead and run the setup. So go ahead and install the setup. I already have Exopanda open. That's why it's saying closing Exopanda. So I can show you the full download process and how you actually go ahead and do this. So once it's gone ahead and downloaded, go ahead and click launch Exopanda, click finish. It's going to open this app up. Now for me, I have a bunch of these apps up here already installed because there's a bunch of other things that you can install inside of Exopanda. It's not just multi-accounts. There's macros, there's macro recorders for both Mac and Windows. There's auto clickers for both Mac and Windows. There's a bunch of features and stuff like that. So make sure you pay very, very close attention to what I'm showing you because it's important that you do this correctly. So you're going to want to go ahead and install the multi-account manager. This is probably one of the most popular apps for Exopanda. Go ahead and click on the multi-account right here. This does work on Mac. So once you have it all the way installed on Mac, you're going to go ahead and click install here. As you can see, I'm on Windows, so it's not going to let me. But then if you're on Windows, go ahead and click install. Now I already have it installed, so I'm going to need to go ahead and click launch. Really quickly, if you want to see what apps and you want to automatically get updates on these apps, you can enable automatic updates on all apps. Manually select each app that you want to automatically update. So whenever an update gets pushed to Exopanda, you will immediately have it and you will be set and ready to go. So if there's any bug fixes or any changes that come out, you'll be able to do that. So we're going to head back to apps and go ahead and click launch on multi. Now it's going to ask you for a key. Now this is completely free and super easy to go ahead and get, right? This is not anything super big. Now, when this video is published, the Windows version or the Mac version may not be out quite yet. And when I say that, I mean the fixes to the Mac version. The Mac version is already out and you can already use it and it works perfectly fine, but there's a couple of bug fixes that were fixed. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and click this get key at exopanda.com. It's going to take you to the get key page, but if it doesn't for some reason, go to exopanda.com/get key. I know on the Mac version right now it's bugged where it doesn't actually take you to the get key page, but that's where you need to go, exopanda.com/get key. And then there's a video showing you how to get the key, but I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. It's super easy. You're going to scroll down past these ads. Obviously the whole point of the ads is that way they can pay to maintain this massive app. But yeah, you'll see a lot of people are going to click generate over and over again. Don't do that. Click generate once and then click add 24 hours of time. Then you're going to have to watch or go through this page for 15 seconds. Just kind of scroll through it. And then you're going to see this little box in here that says claim your time right here. You get 24 hours of runtime. Also, do keep this in mind. Just all of your tabs aren't going to be X'd out after 24 hours. It's only going to ask you for a key again when you reopen the app or something like that. So click add time to my key. Then if you scroll down to the bottom, it may make you watch another ad or something. Again, obviously this is to help with development costs. I think Hold'em, you might spend 30 seconds watching an ad. And I know some people are wanting a paid version, which may come out at some point, but for now it is a key system. If you have suggestions, you can join the Discord link in the description below. Go ahead and comment your suggestions, but go ahead and close this out and then scroll all the way down and you'll see your key. You'll see how much time it has. And then you can also just add more time. So if you want to just stack a week's worth of time all in one day, you can go ahead and do that. All right, now that we have our key, go ahead and copy it and you're going to go ahead and place the code inside of the Exopanda key box right here. Go ahead and click activate key. And then it's going to give you a full guide on how to use this. Obviously, I'm doing that. So you can just skip the tour or you can read it. I recommend reading it if you have a hard time understanding instructions. But as you can see right here, you can add your accounts through this, but I'm not going to show you that as the main method because a lot of people are skeptical when it comes to adding their accounts and crap. I'll show you in a second how to add them here. But if you want to just normally do it, what you're going to do is go to Bootstrapper and then click allow multiple Roblox instances. Go ahead and click this. And as you can see, it's going to say blocked Roblox is open. Just click close Roblox for me. Go ahead and click close Roblox for me. And as you can see, it's completely closed. Now we're good to go and good to launch. Make sure you're launching through the Bootstrapper right here. So now let's say we have an account right here and we want to join, I don't know, 1+1 monkey speed escape or something, right? We join this game. Now, very, very important. A lot of people misinterpret this, right? Multiple accounts is going to be multiple different Roblox accounts. So we have this account right here. I'm going to switch to a different account and I'm going to join another game. All right. Like this. And as you can see, we currently have 2 Roblox accounts running. Now this works on Mac just pretty much the exact same way. As you guys can see, we have the multi-account launching. Now, if you want to go ahead and just add your accounts manually into here, so that way you can just power these on, you can. And then you can also add fast flags and stuff like that. So if you want to turn the quality down, that way you can run as many accounts as possible, then that all works here. And then I believe there's also a way to tile stuff, but there's settings. So you can run custom macros through here. So if you want to record macros, let's say we go to the tools, we can bind to a certain window a recording. So let's say I record this right here with this first window. I click this over and over again. I set up a whole macro. Then I click F8. I can now save this, and then I can go to that window and play it over and over again. I believe if I just go here, I can do that. So yeah, you can also apply the fast flags. There's a bunch of stuff you can go ahead and do with this multi-accounts tool. It's one of the best out there. I'm going to name the recording test, save, and now boom, I can bind it to a certain window. I can enable, and boom, it will tell you all of this different stuff. It will loop it. You can choose which account you're targeting. There's a bunch of stuff, the bootstrapper, all of that built into this one multi-account tool. So it's really, really cool. Again, the Mac version for the fix with the key may not be out yet, so you will probably just have to go to xpanda.com/getkey if you want to go ahead and use this. But yeah, as you can see, we can run 2 accounts right now for completely free. If you have any suggestions, make sure to comment those down below. But yeah, completely working. If you don't want to add your accounts, obviously you can just launch through this little setting. But if you want to add your accounts for ease, where you just, I mean, this is the whole point of the ease. You go ahead and click power. You don't have to log in any different accounts. You don't have to switch accounts. You literally just have them all saved here. It's completely safe. As you can see, you're signing on Roblox's own login page, including 2-step verification. We only keep the resulting session, and it's encrypted to this Windows account, which is DP API. If you look up what DP API is, it's going to explain a lot more if you're skeptical or if you're wondering what that actually means. So basically, this file is going to be useless on any other computer. And then you obviously can check your like where it's being saved, and then you can go ahead and delete that at any point if you don't want that. But as you can see, I can just power these on, which is the main benefit. I can literally just power these on with pretty much no issue, as you can see. I mean, boom, now I can do all of that different stuff. So really, really nice. And then you can just keep going with more accounts, but then I can just power these off and boom. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.